How to make your plantain Nigerian porridge in less than 15 minutes. Put your porridge on fire, add your tomatoes and pepper. You can as well add some onion, garlic and ginger and stir to combine. Stir properly to combine. Then add your crayfish. Stir properly to combine as well. You add your seasoning, you add your salt, then add your seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. And combine, cover to simmer for about 5 minutes. In 15 minutes your porridge will be ready. Just combine to simmer for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes open up and add your protein. I'm using fish and some pomo and shake. You add that as well. And you add your palm oil to the quantity you want. I didn't measure these, I just give it a gauge from the way I want it. And you stir to combine. Stir to combine properly. Stir properly to combine everything into the food. And you cover it for another 5 minutes to simmer together properly. And after 5 minutes, the plantain porridge is almost ready. You just have to add the last ingredients. Before that, stir properly to combine all ingredients. Before you add your vegetable, you can use, I'm using ugu. You can use ugu, you can use any vegetable of your choice. So I'm now going to add my ugu. When I add my ugu, I usually just leave it for a few 10 seconds max. I don't leave it for long. I like my ugu, my vegetable and my porridge very crunchy. So I'm just going to stir properly to combine everything and cover it for a few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds. Stir to combine properly. Make sure it's all incorporated into the food and cover it for a few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds, and voila! The plantain porridge is ready in less than 15 minutes. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs, a like and share, and leave your comment below.